The Superintendent of Yellowstone National Park SAID on Thursday was being forced from his post after disagreeing with the Trump administration over management of the park's famed bison HERD. Dan Venk, who has led one of the nation's most popular national parks since 2011, SAID in an interview broadcast by public radio that AND's boss, Interior Secretary Ryan Zinke, had been at odds over bison but that he believed they had settled their difference. He thought we were on track and he thought that he was very supportive of what we were doing and how we were doing it and that we were going to get it done, Venk told the Mountain West News Bureau, without specifying the nature of their disagreement. Conflict averaged 4 years over how many bison the park can sustain and methods USAID to keep the population contained. The park's practice of capturing and shipping to slaughter a certain number of bison that wander from Yellowstone in winter in search of food in Montana, Zinke's home state, is driven in part by ranchers who are concerned about competition for rangeland and about the spread of brucellosis, a disease carried by some bison that can cause cow to miscarry. During Venk's tenure, the park has argued Yellowstone can withstand many more bison than the target of 3,000 that is supported by the Montana Department of Livestock and the rancher it represents. Montana cattlemen also have raised alarm about a program instituted under Venk's leadership that seeks to distribute brucellosis-free bison from Yellowstone to Native American tribes in Montana and elsewhere. Interior Department spokeswoman woman Heather Swift did not respond to a request from Reuters about any disagreement over bison management. But she SAID in an email that Zinke had been out front in carrying out orders by President Donald Trump to reorganize the federal government for the future. She SAID personnel moves for those who, like Venk, are in the senior executive service, are conducted to better serve the taxpayer and the department's operations. Venk SAID earlier this month that they plan to retire in 2019, without alluding to any policy dispute with superiors. In Thursday's interview, however, SAID had been told by the acting chief of the National Park Service, a branch of the Interior Department, that they needed either to accept reassignment to a new post in Washington, D.C., or retire early in August. I'm feeling like I devoted 43 years of my life, I think I have a record of achievement with the National Park Service that at the end of the day doesn't matter and that I'm no longer wanted at Yellowstone National Park, Venk told Mountain West, which is heard in Wyoming and other western states. Even though he told them he was going to retire, that he made not to make a difference, so extremely disappointed is probably a mild way to explain it, SAID. Venk could not immediately be reached by Reuters. Yellowstone, which occupies the northwestern corner of Wyoming and part of Idaho and Montana, is home to the nation's last large HERD of wild, purebred bison. Millions flock to the park annually to view the bison and other wildlife and natural wonders. Reporting by Laura Zuckerman, writing by Steve Gorman, editing by Peter